Good morning, people. It is 6:20 on Monday morning. Me and Emery are causing havoc. It's 6:20 for cat time, which is the same thing as 4:20 for human time. So look, we put Easter eggs left over for Easter, filled them with catnip. And my cats are going crazy. We're going to see what happens. There's going to be some fighting going on.
You guys gotta discover it. They gotta discover it first.
Ooh, they're fighting already. Oh, there's the big one. Let's see what Odie does. Let me get a better angle. Go, Odie. He smells it. Where is it?
It's shaky. Oreo! Oreo!
Odie, if you get that egg open, I will give you a can of wet food. Oh, snap! Look at all that catnip that fell out of the hole.
Oreo, look, we got another egg.
Oh, he opened it. Oh, look at that. He gets some cat food.
Oreo, if you can open
Here,
this
roll
one.
that egg over to Turbo or Oreo.
Let's see if they fight over it. There's another egg, Oreo. Go get that one. That one has catnip in it. Look, girl, let me show you.
Oh,
Yeah.
say no to crack, Emery.
It's a catnip shaker.
Don't do that. Show it to Turbo. Show him the egg, dude. Odie's tricky.
You want that? Here you go. You gotta get it out of that egg. Ah! Oh God. I'm in the death zone. Oreo isn't getting anything.
Oreo's mad.
I'm upset. Look, he has catnip on his back. I was like...
Turbo's getting a little bit closer.
He's like...
Oh. Oh. Oh, there's Odie. Oh. Remember when I looked up catnip online? What did we find out? There was something that it does to the brain or something that's similar. I can't remember. No.
Well, those two cats are just giving teeth. Later on today, you should show that to Odie. And by the way, if you are tricked by the identification, orange cat is Odie, the gray and black cat is Turbo, and then the black and white cat is Oreo.
Yeah, I think they can figure that out. Odie's obvious because it's Garfield's dog.
No.
Oreo is an Oreo cookie.
Yes, she's black and white. And it's like she has black on the outside and then white on the inside. Just reminds me of an Oreo cookie. And Turbo, he's not really fast. Or Psycho.
Odie's hogging it.
He's like, ooh, look at my body. Boys look at
Good
boys
look
and
at
girls
that
look at
body.
my body.
Good
Girl,
look
look
at
at
that
my body.
I love catnip and I know it.
No, no. I can't. Yeah.
Oh. Odie gets so violent when he uses catnip.
It's like if you just go if you stay in a centimeter away from him, he will pounce on you. Even call.
I dare you to go pet him.
No, for $10. And surgery for my arm. For $10, I'll do it.
No, I'm not gonna. I don't have $10.
$5.
I don't have $5.
$2.
No.
$1.
I have $1.
Okay.
Oh, there's Turbo. Wait a minute. Turbo's moving in.
Oh God,
Oh.
I pet him.
No, you gotta fold down the body.
Oh, God. Die. Okay, I'm gonna do this quick.
Yeah, fold
Okay,
down the body. Just fold down the body.
No, I don't want to do it.
Oh, then
God.
don't do it.
I'm only gonna do it for $10.
Nope. Don't have $10. Turbo's giving up. He's
Okay,
gotten a
I'll
little
pet
closer.
Turbo.
No, that doesn't count. Turbo hasn't even touched the catnip yet.
Here.
Oh, yeah. Turbo's getting mad.
Here.
Yeah, there you go. Give some to Oreo over there.
You can know. She's a smart girl.
She's just lazy, I think.
Look, Oreo. Oreo. Come with me, and I will help you. Look. Inside of here. Baby, no! Come back here, baby! Look. Oreo. Okay, so I'm going to set the Easter egg down. So
Oh, okay, like that. Okay.
And
Yeah,
then
put it like that.
Oreo, there's catnip. I got catnip. You want catnip?
Watch your fingers. Oh, there we go.
Oh. It's just so funny.
Odie's getting his second wind.
Here, baby, let me help you. It's like a beak.
Poor Turbo didn't get any. I wouldn't pet him if I were you.
Okay, I will pet Oreo.
No, leave her alone, man. Just let her do her thing.
She's gonna bite me.
I hear Ella waking up.
You gotta reach your tongue into it, girl. You gotta run your tongue in that. Oh, this is hysterical.
Oh, here we go. Now we're getting some action.
Oh, yeah.
Move your leg, dude.
Oh. Sorry.
Oh, Turbo's getting in on it, man.
It's like, I'll take your lift.
Go, fat kitty.
Go, fat kitty.
Go, fat kitty. Yeah! Look at my big fat kitty. Go look at that body. Go look at that body. I got a bowl full of jelly.
Look at Oreo.
Oh, that's funny.
I bet the Easter egg
Oh,
cracked.
snap.
Oh, and also while you're at it, Oreo, clean the floors. He has it all over her place. You took drugs. You're dirty. You're
Paraphernalia?
No, it's
Drug addict?
dirty-handed, something like that. Like when
It's
at
too
the crime
early.
scene when they see you and
Red-handed.
oh, he caught you red-handed.
Red
No.
pod. Uh-oh.
Catnip.
Odie and Turbo. Look at my fat kitty. Look at my body.
It's like, ooh,
I'm a
yeah.
fat kitty and I know it.
Yeah. It's gonna be like an hour of them.
You think that's enough?
No, they need some more.
No, I mean video.
Yeah, they need. Yeah, this needs to be viral.